Hi everyone, welcome back to Dust3D. We just released the 1.4 version of Dust3D, and today we finally make a penguin. So we now to break down the
How to make a penguin.
Yeah.
So we're not going to do it from scratch because we already done it. We just demonstrate the key features.
And especially two parts, the
Yeah.
wings and the head.
Yes.
Yep.
And for the ones new here, so what's Dust3D? So Dust3D is a cross-platform 3D modeling software that makes it easy to create 3D models for video games. It features a built-in rigging, procedure animation generation, and then UV unwrapping, so you can export to GLB and FBX format to use in your game.
Yep, end of the commercial.
Let's start it.
Okay.
So
the new feature we would like to introduce is stitching line.
Yeah, stitching line is a existing feature, but we enhanced a little bit, and also we did a little bit of the UI improvement. So let's start with stitching line. So we are going to introduce the stitching line by demonstrate how you can make a penguin wing. Yeah, we're going to switch to we're going to hide everything else. Just control the click the H, hide all, and then these two are the two wings. So let's demonstrate one. I'm going to display this. So as you can see, it's grouped together, and there are three lines, right? It's grouped, and this stitching lines, naming as stitching means it's going to stitch three lines together.
Wow, impressive.
And then to
what kind of explanation?
to create the final mesh.
Cool.
Okay, so you can see here the mesh. We're going to change the color for this one, so you can look more clearly. Okay. Okay. So if I move around this, you can see the position changed of the mesh. See?
Yeah.
You can move from this way as well.
All right, quick question.
Yeah.
You said about you have to put the lines in order previously.
Yeah.
You still remember that? What do you actually mean by that?
Okay. So this actually is a new feature. You can see here. We put 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
And also put a info banner here. Says stitching 9 order meters. Jack to reorder. So what does that mean? The order meters means how we stitch together. We stitch by the order you put it here.
So that has to be the nearest line.
Yes. So if I drag this line here,
that will break,
you see,
right?
Not break. It will create a different mesh. You see, the lines order is if goes to this one, and then you see the second one is this one. And then the third one is the middle one. You see, so the mesh will also goes from the first one, and then the last one. Sorry, not the last one, and then this what's this line? So here, this is in the position. It's in this side profile. It's in the last position here. you see. So it goes first, last, and then the middle. So that's not what we want usually, right? But sometimes you want this order, right? So be careful of this order. So if you see this mesh looks weird, make sure it's in the correct order. You can reorder it by dragging, you see.
Easy.
Yeah. And let's copy paste, you see. You see, now it's stitching one more
bigger wing.
Yeah. Wow. See, so, and also you can control the how many segments you want. Default is 0 means automatic, okay. And then if we change, let's say, you see this, see, you can change this. How many segments you want. Normally the default 0 should be working, okay. There are other options which is not related with these wings. Maybe we skip it for the next time. Yeah.
More segments means what?
Segments means this mesh density, right? Yeah. More segment, you see mesh change, right?
Can I bend it if I got more segments? So
how you want to bend?
Bend like
you can bend by change this guiding positions, right?
But that's the rig.
For example, you can change, right? And change. So this also you can scale this. For example, you can like thickness by changing this. You can change it. See. Sometimes you want to make a thick plane or something, right?
It looks like a chip.
Yeah. So this is how we can make like a wing shape, because you cannot make it use the tuber, just use a tuber of nodes to make this, right? You can, but it's not a you cannot you cannot control like this, right?
So basically I can make wings, flippers, and what kind of thing with it?
Yeah, normally it's a plain like shape
surface, yeah.
But you want to have different kind of thickness at different places. For example, you want to have this, you can control this. You see here, you can make something like this. Yeah, but for this penguin wing, this is a good one. You can use a stitch loop. So we add the 1 2 3 4. This means it will stitch together by this order, and then you can select. You can double click, and then you can see which one is which. I know this preview image maybe is very hard to see, but you can, and also you can put your mouse hover on these parts and hit the F key. It will select. You see, select from the this component preview list. See, okay.
So I can make a phone with it, the phone model, TV, those flat.
Yes.
I don't know, electronic things like that.
Yes.
Ooh. Cool.
Yeah. So this is I will just revert it. Reload this file. Sorry. So that's how we make the wings. Yeah.
Then what's the difference between stitching line and stitching loop?
Okay. So stitching loop, actually how you create a stitch we didn't say, right? So normally if you are on this mode, you can just try to create a part like this, and then you click this, right click it, and then select the part row, and then select the stitching loop. See here, And now you see immediately have some info banner tells tells you how to stitching line and loop must be inside a group to configure the stitching parameters. So let's say we
Reading
stitch
disorder.
stitching line. Okay, so it has to be in a group. Okay, so you can copy another line. You have two lines, 1, 2, but it's not grouped. So you will see this message here. You can just select both and then right click, make group. Okay, now it's in a group, and then you can control this segments and also change the color of this. Okay, same way we can create the stitching loops. Okay, and let's see how we can create this head by using the stitching loop. Okay, this is the header. This is created by using this stitching loop feature. Okay, you see this three. This is not a stitching loop feature. This is just normal model. You see the tube shape. See here, tube shape, right? Tube. It's just a normal mode. And if you check the part row, it's the model. Okay, these two as well. These two is the sorry, this is a normal model as well.
It's the tubes, right?
Yeah, tubes. This one is just one node. It's for the eyeball. Yeah. So I'm going to just hide all these others. This one I'm going to unlink it. Unlink it means it's not going to join the mesh. So if you click this unlink, it's excluded from the final results.
Marking down.
Okay. And okay, now how to let me talk the color. Okay, so how to create this face. You see,
wow,
this is a stitching loop group. See, and what does this group means is all these stitching loop parts, each of them is one line. You see, each of them is one line on the canvas, right? Create each of them, and the most important thing is we look at this main profile, not the side profile. So we look at these lines, and then we automatically mirror it based on this
the half we made.
Yeah. And then the mesh were generated by stitching all the edge loops. Okay, so let's see if we move this line around. You see,
lovely.
The mesh also changed. You see, it's by stitching all the lines together. So what you need to do is just you need to draw these lines on the canvas. Okay, make sure they are not overlapping with each other.
Yep.
That's very critical. So that's why I added this info banner here to tell you edge loops must not overlap.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more silly question.
Yeah.
How do I know how many notes I needed for that one you just drag, right? Like how do I know like how much notes I need to put on it?
Yeah, that's a good question.
That's
So
a good one. Okay.
so you see there is no new verticals being created.
Yeah.
So what are the points on the final mesh?
Yep.
Is the points you put it here. So it depends on how density the final mesh you want. You create all these points here. So if, for example, I can just break this one. You see, now there's a new points being created here. See,
Yep.
it's depending on how density this mesh you need. Then you create the nodes in the position, because we are not going to interpret these two nodes for you. It depends on where you want to put this, and then it will be put there. It will be stitched together. And also the things is, if you are on a circle, for example, the inner circle, we are not going to fill it, because you can use this to make like eyelids, right? So if you want to fill this hole, what you need to do is you need to create another line inside it, and then it will try to stitch together. We can demonstrate that. So don't make a closed edge loop, make an open line inside that hole. You will see it will fill this hole. I will demonstrate.
That sounds really complicated.
Not very complicated. Okay, you see, I created this, and then I will change the part to stitching loop. Okay. Don't worry, now the position is incorrect. Okay. So I'm going to put it inside this. I think I need to scale down a little bit. Okay. Let's put into that hole, and then move this into the correct position. Okay. I think it's here. Right? See? The hole is being filled. Okay? Let me drag it into the correct position. Okay.
But we should leave the space empty to, to put the eyeball in it, right?
Yes.
It's not right to like filling it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna, but I'm just trying to say you can do this
by doing that.
Yeah, by put a line there, so it will automatically fill in that hole. Okay. So I will just unlink this, so you can have a hole. So the inner edge loop, which means the smaller edge loop, it's not going to be filled by the mesh, because in that way you can control if you actually want a hole in the mesh, right?
Cool.
For example, in this, how you call this?
Beak.
You see here, and there is a line in the front. You see here. If I move this out, and I unlink it, you see there will be a hole there. See, a hole in the front. See. Okay, but in this case you don't want a hole there.
Yeah, because penguin don't have
so let's close it. By moving this position we can close it.
Marking down.
Okay. So this is how you can make a face mesh by using this stitch loop, and then you can adjust this. You see this back head is being closed, right? So you can control it not closed. You see, it's just like this, and then you can close it, and then you can adjust this and this. Normally you just need to close it, and then you can have the mesh combined with other parts. Okay. I think I've made some change. Let's reload the file, and then bring that this enabled. So these are enabled back. So this beak it's, you see the mesh is not combined. Okay, why? Because we choose this as uncombined. We don't want this to be doing the mesh pulling, because we can have this nice color difference. Yeah, but you see the neck, this, you see it's doing the mesh pulling with the header, which you are using that stitching loops to create it, right? And then you can move around, and there is an algorithm to combine them together. Okay, you can find the good edge loops. Yeah, and once you have done, oh, by the way, you can change the color. I think stitching loop, each line you can change the color. That's how you can see this color is different. See, this white color is because we changed the color here. See, in the eye loop. Okay, now you got this head, how you can combine them together, right? Okay, you can just export as GLB from the menu, and then we open another file, the penguin body file. You can see here, see, this is the header, right? See this header. From here you can see this part row is imported model. So basically you create two nodes connected, and that you can adjust the size of it by using the radius, and also you can like drag, can scale or resize it, and also you can rotate here. See, rotate imported model, and so you can import the GLB file here. So first you choose, let me do it again. Okay, let me create normal parts. Okay, let me create a normal parts, and then we choose the part row as imported model. Okay, now you click this, choose that model. I think we already have that penguin head. Okay, see, it's been imported. See,
by the way, I don't know it's the right time to say it, but I just wondering if like our audience or our user, are they like interested in put the inventory, just import everything into that inventory so we can drag it out, or are they more like just click this and import from the document? I don't know.
But you have to put a placeholder in the canvas first. Yeah.
Or just
yeah. So here, if we see, you can change this rotation and then import. You can also change the normal smooth group here. And also you can change the color from here. You can change the color. Okay. This color will not change the texture color which you imported, but you will decide the color when you do when this mesh is, you see, it will do the mesh combination with others. This color will be used to stitching, filling this seam lines. Okay, I think that's pretty much of this tutorial.
Yeah.
Anything you want to cover?
Not anything particular, just
Okay.
Let's check the cute little walking animation though.
Okay.
Ooh.
So this 1.1.4 version, we have added this wider animation parameters to generate like penguin walk and
how penguin
attack. That's that's a bird attack. Penguin attack we haven't made for penguin, but that's if you have a actual bird, that's the attack for the bird. Okay, so this you see you can adjust all these parameters: foot spread, wing spread.
Yay!
Yeah, and also you see the run.
Maybe next time we can make a backpack for him.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's carrying a backpack, go around.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much of this video. Hope we have covered this stitching loop and stitching lines to make face and wings.
Yeah, essentially. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah. Thank you guys
for watching.
And see you next time.
Let us know if you got any questions and about the stitching line and stitching loop.
Yep.